How to turn off subtitles on Disney Plus. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off language subtitles on Disney Plus app or any of the other streaming device, which is basically typically the same process. Now first, I will just show you on how you can do it on your mobile or device or your computer. It's very simple because the interface is pretty much the same. Now, whether you want to watch your favorite Disney movie shows in another language without changing the audio, or if you're hard of hearing and benefit from using captions, the Disney Plus platform makes it easy to turn on or turn off your subtitles. Just open the Disney Plus application, as you can see, and select a movie or show you want to watch and then begin playing over here. So right over here you can see a list of different movies. Just select a movie or show that you want to watch and then begin playing. Once you begin playing it, just press the pause button, which means you want to pause the show, and then tap the screen or hover your cursor over it before clicking the settings icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. So as you can see, the little settings button, just make sure to click on it. The audio settings icon in Disney Plus will always be at the rightmost option, and if the symbol has disappeared, try to tap the screen again and see if that fixes the issue. Now once you tap on it, on the next page in the two columns that particularly appear, select off in the right column on the right hand side to turn off subtitles, and close the window by tapping or clicking the X icon once you've made the changes to resume the movie show. And it's as simple as that as to how you can turn off subtitles on Disney Plus. The process is also same for your mobile device. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.